I am making a carrot halwa carrot cake. My grandmom would only in the winter time, she would make carrot halwa with red carrots. This was one of her prized desserts. The carrot cake is my own spin. So the first thing that I do is I grab some carrots, I peel the carrots and I grate it. The liquid ingredients I mix separately. Eggs with granulated sugar and brown sugar, oil, mix that. I mix all the dry ingredients together. I add some chai masala mixed to some flour, some baking powder, some salt. I put that in a stand mixer and add grated carrots to it, some pecans and dates, and mix it till it's a nice smooth batter. Then I pour the batter in a cake pan and I put it in to bake.
Good luck. Maneet,
Yes.
I'm coming to check on you. I want to learn more about this
Fantastic.
cake.
My grandmom would make a gajar halwa, which was a dessert pudding. So how about presenting it in a form of a carrot cake? So essentially, I made two desserts, which I put together. To make a gajar halwa, I put grated carrots, some milk, some green cardamom powder, and some saffron. And then start cooking all of this together. What I'm trying to do is take away the smell and the taste of the raw carrots. Halfway through, I go ahead and put some raisins in it. So the raisins can get rehydrated and they become plump while they're cooking along with the milk. Then I take a saute pan and melt some ghee in it and roast till golden brown pistachios, cashews, and almonds. All the milk has evaporated, so I add grated paneer, which is Indian cottage cheese, and then I take the roasted nuts, put it in the carrot mixture, add some condensed milk, and mix it very well, and then put it in sheet trays and put it in the refrigerator to cool it down.
Do I want to put candles in it, or what do I want to do right now?
Why not? Every day is a celebration.
Are we going to eat this thing or take a picture with it?
Take a picture with it and then eat it. Once the cake is done, cut it in half. I want the cake to have 3 distinct layers. 2 layers of the cake and 1 layer of the gajar halwa. I put half of the carrot cake at the base. Then on the side, I put some whipped cream. And in between, I just put the carrot halwa. And then I get the other layer of cake right on top. Ice the entire cake with whipped cream. I have some pistachio dust, which I sprinkle on top. Get some beautiful flowers. And because I love my bling, I put some edible gold sheets on the cake, and the cake is ready.
If this is more bites of me taking a bite out of cake than you will ever see me do.
Eats dessert.
That is carrot cake gone wild. A lot of carrot, a lot of flavor, and the cardamom, in my opinion, is the kiss that took it over the top. It was excellent.